Good morning, welcome to Phoebe's Story. Let's make breakfast together. Start with half-boiled egg. I'm using this classic egg maker. I got it off Shopee with less than RM10. I will put the link down below. Put in 4 eggs and hot boiling water till the water level mark on the plastic bowl. Close the lid and let the water drip till finish. I'm going to make air fryer toast, so start with 2 slices of bread for each. I will need 8 pieces for the daddy, the mommy, the number 2 and the number 3. Using a bread knife, slice the brown part away. This is totally optional based on your own preference. Then apply whichever spread that you like. I have butter and cheese for the daddy and myself, the peanut butter for the number 3 and chocolate spread for the number 2. I cut the roti into quarter. Again, it's up to own preference. You can leave it as it is, cut it half or cut into quarters. Lightly whisk 2 eggs and add milk into it. Milk ratio should be roughly half of the egg portion. Now dip the roti into the egg milk mixture. Make sure all sides of the roti is soaked with the mixture. This ensures that the roti will come out soft later. You can layer the air fryer with baking paper or spray with oil. I'm using Cosori 6.4 dual glaze and it fits 8 slices of roti. I have the link of this Cosori air fryer down in the description box as well. Air fryer this at 180 Celsius 14 minutes. While the air fryer is air frying the roti, let's make iced coffee. This coffee tree Penang white coffee is quite addictive. Again, I'll have the link down below in the description box. Add hot water and stir. We'll put ice later. Gotta make some honey wash. It gives the toast a slight sweetness and glazy shine. I add a little tiny bit of hot water just to make it easier to spread. Pull out the basket around 7 minutes mark. Spread a layer of honey on the roti. Then send it back in the air fryer for another 2 minutes. Now flip each of the roti over. No idea why the lining paper is not very non-sticky this round. The previous time I did this, the roti didn't stick. Again, spread the layer of honey onto the roti. Then send the basket back into the air fryer till it's done. Once done, remove it from the air fryer with the better looking side facing the top. Time to plate up the half-boiled egg. Crack it open, a couple of eggs in a cup. Drizzle in good amount of soy sauce and dashes of white pepper powder. Time to add ice to the white coffee. Breakfast is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!